Today I want to introduce to you three new products from Origin Acoustics. We've got a lot of new custom subwoofers here to fill in with different applications. The first one here is the Blends C-Sub 10. Now this is a subwoofer that's designed to fit inside the wall cavity with a grill at the bottom that comes out either through your skirting board or a piece of custom joinery. This goes with Origin's new range of invisible speakers, and really it's designed to complement the bottom end response in a room, be that cinema or multi-room audio listening. It's able to give you quite a bit more pressure than you can get through a traditional invisible subwoofer, so a great new addition there. The second one here is the all-new Origin Pro range P-Sub 10X2. This is a very heavy-duty dual 10-inch subwoofer, and it's designed to complement any of the Origin Pro series installations. So whether that's a pendant installation, surface mount installation, or an in-ceiling installation, this can really structure with any of them to give you that bottom end fill-in. The cool things about this is, aside from the massive sound pressure it can deliver, the grill is adjustable so that the outlet is either on this side or this side, and this heavy-duty rail on the back can either be mounted along the long side or the short side of the product. So this gives you a lot of options with installation to suit the job that you're on. The third product is this one here. This is the D-Sub 6X2. Now this is a new product in the minimal opening series. It's got two 6-inch subwoofers inside, and they are horizontally opposed in the cabinet to minimize vibration. This sort of does away with the traditional D-Sub line, which had a port tube that could sometimes give you issues with resonance. In this instance, the outlet is facing directly out of the ceiling, and you've got grills in both round and square for both the 5-inch series and the 6 1/8. So I'll do a bit of a video of all the different accessories so you can see those as well, but really this is just a great introduction of a bunch more solutions really, which is what we're focused on here, that allow you to do installs in lots of different categories and have the right result for the customer. So here we have the D-Sub 6X2. This is the minimal opening subwoofer collection, and inside this cabinet you've got a 6-inch woofer facing downwards and one facing upwards with the pressure coming out through this port tube. And in the box you've got, of course, your cutting templates, and rather unusually you've got both 5-inch and you've got the 6 8-inch grills included. So you've got two there, the other ones are in this box. This is your instructions, and these are your spacers. So depending on how thick the plaster is or whatever your ceiling's made of, you can space that tube further down. This is the Origin Pro P-Sub 10X2. So this is a really heavy duty Pro sub. You've got your wiring interface at the bottom, and then you've got your adjustable port locations. So as you can see, it comes out of the box with the port here in the top, but that can be moved to the side. And similarly, this mounting rail comes attached on that side, but it can be moved to the short end. So it gives you quite a lot of options in terms of how you want to put this all together. And yeah, a really neat option to just add massive bass reinforcement. I've listened to this product at the show before it was released, and it's an extremely impressive commercial subwoofer. So this is the Blends C-Sub 10. It's a pretty sizable cabinet that goes in the wall. And let me show you at the base here, you've got the outlet that runs laterally along the base of the product. This is your cut template that comes in the box along with the manual, and over here you've got the grill. So this is plastered into the wall, and then you've also got spacers depending on how thick the wall is itself. So that comes in the box with it, makes it nice and easy, all complete.